Surprise! Here I am! A live special edition. I'm doing a little comfort food tonight. Sorta, kinda. Okay, here's the cast iron thing. Oh yeah, look at this. I can walk all around now. And I can move you up and you can see things. Okay, come over here. Here we go, look. Let's see if this is... We can bend down here. Bend down, look, see? Might be hard to see. Still too hot to pick up. Stuffed butternut squash. Let's get closer. There. There, that's not working. It's too close. Okay. Stuffed butternut squash in a cast iron casserole. There. Very yummy. But that's not why I called you guys here tonight. I'm going to make my Grammas coconut pie, the one that I posted the recipe earlier this week. So we're only going to go for about 5 minutes. I'm going to mix it up and put it in the oven, then I'll show you pictures later. Her recipe is so easy. I got everything right here. Okay? 4 eggs. 4 eggs. You want to see me juggle them? I would too.
Look what he's doing.
4 eggs. 1,
Oh, we got another ogre.
2,
Here you go.
3.
Uh-huh.
They're going in the sink. I'm not really throwing them on the floor or anything. So I am clean in the kitchen. Okay. 4 eggs.
Ogre.
2 cups of sugar.
I would say
I'm going to go to work.
Just dumped in. A cup of milk.
So close.
Isn't this easy? Now, Grandma said a stick of oleo. Nobody knows what oleo is anymore. I'm not eating oleo. I don't do margarine. We do butter. Sorry, Grandma. She went to heaven in '96. We're using butter. We're not going to go find that funky oleo.
Hey, can you get a piece?
And I'm just going to beat all this up. There, now can you see? You see, I'm going to beat this stuff up to make sure the sugar is all incorporated. And that the eggs are all broke up and everything. There. Stirred up and thick. Now, they're playing a game in the other room right now. Something with an ogre and dice. I play it once in a while. Race to the treasure. That's what it is. They gotta beat.
Guys, that's it.
Oh, it's over. That was quick. And the ogre won 3 times. Okay. On to the recipe. It calls for 8 ounces of coconut. This is a 14-ounce bag. Okay? I'm not measuring it out. I'm just guessing it's going to be most of this bag. There. I'm sure that's 8 ounces. Yeah. Mix this up. I can't believe how easy. I've never made this. The last time I probably had this pie was early 90s when Grandma made it. I haven't had it since.
Elijah's being a helper.
There. So all the ingredients are mixed up. Now, I just have to put it in my shells. Can you see my shells? Oh, it's going to be too hard to see. Well, I can just move my shells.
And then all the rest.
2 unbaked shells. Am I making you dizzy yet? 2 unbaked shells. So I'm just going to divide this up evenly. Here's a cup for you. And 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 then a little bit more. And a little bit more.
Oh, I think all of you are. Give me just a moment.
Uncooked pie crust. Those are just out of the freezer. They thawed a little bit. So I got all the ingredients in there, my 2 pies in there. 400 degrees for 10 minutes, and then 350 degrees for 40 minutes. I'll show you pictures later. See, that was so easy. It was so incredibly easy. You gotta make it. Thanks for joining. I'll show you pictures later.